Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the media driver for your computer is missing. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be if you're using a USB plug-in to connect this external drive. I recommend swapping it out and trying a different plug on your computer because the USB port could be bad. So it's definitely one thing I recommend trying. And if you're getting this issue through perhaps if you're downloading an ISO file onto the internet and booting your computer from it, there could be a problem with the file itself. So it's just re-downloading any files and then burning them to a DVD or flash drive. So there's certainly a possible corruption issue with the file itself. You can also try updating your USB port drivers as well. So if you open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, and then go through all of the USB ports in here and select Update Driver, and then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then just again follow along with what it prompts you here to install, and select Next. Once you're done with that, you do want to go through the list, like I said, and update all of them, and then you would go ahead and restart your device. So hopefully that was a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope this will help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.